Hey Nail Techs, it's Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com, coming to you from my salon with my Halloween shirt. Rock on, Michael Myers. Anyway, I just got back from the Premiere Birmingham show. It was sadly the last show they're gonna hold in Birmingham, which sucks bad because that's like within a 4-hour driving distance of my house, and I've been going to the Birmingham show for decades. And so I went, and shout out to Jamie Schrabeck, who is not on TikTok, YouTube, or maybe not even Instagram, but she is on Facebook. She let me talk to her classes about my business. So I had some little postcards about my business with my business card stapled to it, and the nail techs filled the classes. I took every class except the very last one because I had to get on the road and drive home, but I made connections just by going to the show with the nail techs because my business can help all nail techs. And what my business is the Nail Tech Event of the Smokies, and it is nailtechevent.com. Tickets are coming up on sale January 1st. It is a nails only trade show in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we have 69 nail booths compared to the Birmingham show, which shrank in size because they were closed 2 years for COVID, and they had 2 nail booths. So I knew going into it, it was gonna be a smaller show because I looked at the floor plan and they did the best they could with what they had. So nail techs, much like when our salons were locked down and we were not able to work, they weren't able to hold shows either. So they lost traction, they lost momentum. Like so many nail techs now are struggling to build back their clientele. The shows are struggling to build back their clientele. So all of them, from East Coast to West Coast, they're all struggling to build back the nail companies they lost, whatever hair companies they lost, whatever skincare companies they lost, and all the nail techs that they lost that didn't go to those shows, they're struggling to build them back. So if you have a show within driving distance of you, shame on you if you're not going to support them because you are missing the boat. You are missing out on making contacts with other nail techs, with educators, with companies, getting your name out there, getting known. You're just putting your stuff out on social media and hoping people are gonna find you and whatnot. You've got to build your own brand, and how you do that is networking at all the trade shows that you can drive to. And if you've got the money, hell's bells, go fly. I mean, I would. But anyway, it was a good show. The energy was good. Even though it was smaller, the energy was still good. And like I said, I had great nail classes. I will talk more about the classes and things I've learned. I found one absolutely phenomenal pedicure product I just tried out today. Oh my God, huge, massive difference. So anyway, go to nailtechevent.com. Check out what we've got going on. Scroll down on the home page and you will see all the logos of the nail companies that are joining us next July. And you can tap on those logos and it'll take you directly to that nail company's website. So you can check them out and see what they have to offer you. So anyway, peace out, nail techs.